Hello everyone, welcome to the unbiased review of Chakras.com. So I'm here again with another scam alert. So in today's video I'm going to analyze Chakras.com and I'll also explain Chakras.com is a scam or legit. So let's take a look. As you can see, this is the homepage of this website and you can find an extensive collection of various beautiful jewelry pieces, including earrings, pendants, necklaces, bracelets, cuffs, rings, anklets, etc. So you can also get customized jewelry, and you can find the product category in the menu option. You can click the menu option and you'll get the extensive collection of jewelry pieces. So let's talk about the contact us information. Guys, you can see the email is available on the website, which is info@chakras.com. Telephone number is also available and contact person is also available. So let's talk about the address. When you search this address on the internet, you will not find the office building. You will get an house building. So I think this address is totally fake. And let's take a look at the About Us section. So here you can read the About Us section of this website, and the email ID is also available in this section. Let's take a look at easy returns. So the company accepts returns within 30 days from the date of receipt of your order. And let's move with shipping policy. So the item may take 5 to 8 days to arrive. And if you want to read the entire information, you can read for your convenience or knowledge. Privacy policy shows legitimacy of a website. You can read the privacy policy. But as I have discussed about the address is not legit. And one thing more, guys, if you search any product in this search category like jewelry, then there is no product that matches the search criteria, which shows a scam. So this is not a sign of legitimate website. And when we talk about the domain age and domain creation, then guys, it is important to know that this website is new and was created on and it was created on 17th of March 2020. So this website is new and I'm not able to see any website review on the website. And we all know that website reviews are important and show legitimacy of website. Let's take a look at the terms of service. So here you will get the information regarding the payment, use of the site, privacy, updates of these terms, sale terms, product disclaimer, limitation of liability, order acceptance, pricing information, etc. But as we can see, the address is fake and we are not able to search anything in the search category. So it signifies scam. So guys, as this review is unbiased and my motive is to provide the authentic information to you regarding the scam and legit websites. So in case you had a bad experience with this company, you can also share your experiences in the comment box. It will also give benefit to other customers while doing online shopping and reviewing a website. So I think you liked the video and this video is helpful for you. So share your experiences with the company in your comments and I'll get back to you with more scam alerts. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.